Hi, I'm Terry Wendorf, president of Sno-Way. Today I want to introduce you to our new Series 2 9.5 foot V-Plow. This plow comes standard with our patented ESS system and new LED lights. This 9.5 foot plow has a 29-inch center, 37-inch outside flare for superior rolling. Unit comes standard with our MaxADJUST system, and this allows you to move from truck to truck, and by just one wrench you can adjust the tower to make sure it's level to your truck to maximize plowing. The plow also comes standard with our original down pressure system. This adds additional scraping weight to the cutting edge for superior cleaning and will increase your clean time by 30%. There's two different deflector options with this plow: our patented poly deflector or a heavy-duty rubber deflector. It comes standard with our wear strips with integrated curb guards. This plow was built for plowing. I challenge you to try it. For more information, look at snowway.com.